Hi guys, today mag-ano muna si Kuya nang magtatas tayo ng durian.
Oh, first time trying durian.
Yes.
How does it taste?
Masarap.
It's your turn.
No, I don't like it.
Your taste.
It tastes weird. Guys, it tastes
It's my turn. Second time. Alam ko na lasa to, kaya lang parang na-weird pa rin ako.
ako dyan. So weird.
It's your turn, Jella.
Ba't parang may barnes? Sa'yo?
How about you? Do you like the taste of it?
Pero masarap, no? Oh, ubusin natin. Ikaw, Jella,
No, I don't like it.
you don't like?
It's your page. You should try it.
Guys,
Konti lang.
smells good. It smells bad.
Amoyin mo.
Wala naman amoy.
Wala, amoy.
It smells like puke.
Yeah. My turn. You want
Guys,
mo to?
di mo alam amoy
Mm.
yan, amoy yan yung gamot ko. Yung iron, kapag malapit ako, naamoy ko, malapit na ako napapasok agad.
Yeah. Sure up.
Do you want to try it, Sam?
Try,
Sam,
do you wanna try, Caddy?
Sammy.
Yung ano yan?
Buto.